1601 First insurance legislation in the United Kingdom was enacted. Modern insurance has its roots in this law, which concerned coverage for merchandise and ships. 1666 Great Fire of London demonstrated destructive power of fire in an urban environment, leading entrepreneur Nicholas Barban to form a business to repair houses damaged by fire. 1684 Participants in the Friendly Society in England formed a mutual insurance company to cover fire losses. 1688 Edward Lloyd's Coffee House, the precursor of Lloyd's of London, became the central meeting place for ship owners seeking insurance for a voyage. 1696 Hand-in-Hand Mutual Fire Company was formed. CGNU traces its origins to this company, which is the world's oldest continuously operating insurance company. 1710 Charles Povey formed the Sun, the oldest insurance company in existence which still conducts business in its own name. It is the forerunner of the Royal and Sun Alliance Group. 1735 The Friendly Society, the first insurance company in the United States, was established in Charleston, South Carolina. This mutual insurance company went out of business in 1740. 1752 The Philadelphia Contributions HIP for the insurance of houses from loss by fire, the oldest insurance carrier in continuous operation in the United States, was established. 1759 Presbyterian Ministers Fund, the first life insurance company in the United States, was founded. 1762 Equitable Life Assurance Society, the world's oldest mutual life insurer, was formed in England. 1776 Charleston Insurance Company and the South Carolina Insurance Company, the first two United States marine insurance companies, were formed in South Carolina. 1779 Lloyd's of London introduced the first uniform ocean marine policy. 1792 Insurance Company of North America, the first stock insurance company in the United States, was established. 1813 Eagle Fire Insurance Company of New York assumed all outstanding risks of the Union Insurance Company, in the first recorded fire reinsurance agreement in the United States. 1849 New York passed the first general insurance law in the United States. 1850 Franklin Health Assurance Company of Massachusetts offered the first accident and health insurance. 1851 New Hampshire created the first formal agency to regulate insurance in the United States. 1861 First war risk insurance policies were issued, written by life insurance companies during the Civil War. 1866 National Board of Fire Underwriters was formed in New York City, marking the beginning of insurance rate standardization. 1866 Hartford Steam Boiler Inspection and Insurance Company, the first boiler insurance company, was established in Hartford, Connecticut. 1873 The Massachusetts legislature adopted the first standard fire insurance policy. 1878 Fidelity and Casualty Company of New York began providing fidelity and surety bonds. 1885 Liability protection was first offered with the introduction of employers' liability policies. 1891 policies providing benefits for disabilities from specific diseases were offered. 1894 National Board of Fire Underwriters established underwriters' laboratories to investigate and test electrical materials to ensure they meet fire safety standards. 1898 Travelers Insurance Company issued the first automobile insurance policy in the United States. 1899 First pedestrian killed by an automobile, in New York City. 1910 New York passed the first United States workers' compensation law. It was later found to be unconstitutional. 1911 Wisconsin enacted the first permanent workers' compensation law in the United States. 1912 Lloyd's of London introduced aviation insurance coverage. 1925 Massachusetts